Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create an invoice on Hubstaff, step by step. First, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find Financials. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the menu. From the expanded list, choose Invoices. It's the second to last option. Once you're on the Invoices page, click the blue New Invoice button. This will open the Invoice Builder where you can start setting everything up. At the top, you can upload your organization's logo, then choose the client you want to invoice, select the issue date, due date, invoice number, and PO number. Below that, you'll find the line item section. Here, you can enter a description, total hours, unit price, and amount. You can add as many items as you need, and you can even auto-generate line items if you prefer. On the right side, you'll see the totals, including taxes, discounts, and the final grand total. Once everything looks correct, you can save it as a draft or save and send directly to your client. And that's all you need to do to create an invoice on Hubstaff. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.